Hey guys, what is up? Bookbag here.
Game time.
Yeah. Where are we going, Owen?
Where are we going?
I grabbed an attack. Owen!
I grabbed it.
Someone's on me. Help, 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 help.
Got a guy.
Someone
Oh, I almost got sniped. Yeah. Can I, thank you. You are a very gamer.
I need
You have a weapon?
I need a big pot.
Oh, you got a charge.
Oh gosh, that's my one.
Come on.
Shotgun? Oh, give me a stupid shotgun. Oh, shotgun! Oh my goodness!
Ow, my leg itches.
Fine, please.
I know all the chest spawns. I landed too much.
I'll land you
This
when I'm
is-
Oh, whoa, whoa, no, no homo.
Oh, somebody got this one. Is better.
Sir, pronounce your words, please. Where is
Move. I hear the bad guys.
it? 28.
Oh, somebody's rebooting. Mining away. Got him. I'm dead. Now he's rushing. He's rushing because he's here. I don't. Come in, kill your dude over there. Give me, Carson. Give me. Give me. I'm rushing these people.
No. Oh,
I hit him
it's
75 with a harpoon. One guy's white, the other one has like 25 shield. You're just a stupid marauder. Die.
Oh wait, no, it didn't. What? This kid's low on me.
Got one.
Got one.
Oh yeah, I'm 1 HP, Carson.
I know, I have a mech. I have a mech. I forgot about like the thing, like my last video, I kept getting burned by it.
Yeah, I remember one time, my first time that I died to it. I was stuck in. Yes, I died to it. I was stuck in storm and I came out because I got a launch pad somewhere and I landed on one and I was standing on top with 6 HP and I died to it.
That's a big rip. I like the charge better than the attack.
We don't care.
I do because it does the damage and I like more damage even if I'm a
We don't care.
We don't care.
Yeet. Bye, Carson.
Oh, I thought you died. No! Oh! I'm not carrying weapons.
That's a bad idea.
Why can I not? It's not letting me gather them.
Then don't. It's a sign.
What? Oh, I can have a break. What?
You have to have an open slot. Wait, I shouldn't have told you that. Yeah, see, I gathered them. Why don't you just pick them up? What's this chest? What? Oh.
People.
Move, Carson! Stop! You're killing
Oh,
me!
he's hitting me!
You're dead. Bye, Carson. Where?
Are
We
going?
I'm going here. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're going there. No, we're not. We're going there. No, we're not. We're going there. Nope. No, we're going there. No, we're not.
No, go here. There's a draw, like the vault. There's a vault that's opened.
Where?
I call it though, so you can get all the chests. I just want the drop.
You're so toxic.
It's over here. I'm too low for it.
You already just told me. Oh, it's over there?
I can't mark it.
It's over here?
Yeah, I'm too low. For
Carson, I have a terrible drop for that. You shouldn't have marked here.
I'm just kidding.
And
I'm at it
instead,
right now.
here.
I just want to get the drop.
Oh my gosh, no!
I got it to purple tag. There's so much commotion going on.
Yeah, because
I
I
have 2
fell,
minutes.
and then you yelled, "Oh, I have a purple tack!" And you got a purple pistol. Actually, the best pistol in the game.
So it's not the
It's
legendary.
OP.
Is. Oh, is.
You know what I mean.
Goofy goose.
Oh.
People are here.
Why'd you?
Oh! Oh! There's someone right here.
Yeah, he's right behind that corner. Carson, if you get one pump, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Can't get one pump, idiot.
You know what I mean, you bot.
Oh, no way! Get him, he's horrible. I'm gonna.
We got him.
I burnt my mic.
Yeah, but I can still hear you, so therefore you didn't. There's a shark. Let me pick you up. I can't pick you
It
up.
doesn't like me.
You swim this way. No, swim.
He's gonna fight! He's gonna get me!
Carson, swim.
I can't! Help!
Faster, Carson.
The shark is gonna hit me!
Why are you going so slow? I gotta be able to pick you up.
Oh, it get me! Oh, it get me! Ah! Hit me!
I got you, I got you. I am acquiring materials.
Wait, no, I know. Okay, extra money.
got your money.
I don't have it.
That sucks.
Do you bite your fingernail? Lou?
I pick them, not bite them. Biting is
Put
nasty.
my whole finger in my mouth and start chewing.
I am getting materials. If I get attacked, I'm most likely going to die, as you are very far from.
Speaking of that, I got a FAMAS.
I don't really
I like FAMAS
care.
better than yours now.
I also really don't care about that.
Okay. No. Tell me a song to sing and I'll sing it. Any song.
Bruh.
Oh, get it! On me, help!
I'm
Owen!
having mushrooms right now.
Owen, hell! Where are you?
I told you I'm far from you. If I get attacked, I'm most likely going to die, as you are very far from.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was you next to me. Help. Please help
Oh
me.
my, you're probably gonna die.
Help. I'm dead.
I'm to your south, but it doesn't matter anymore.
Owen!
Did they shake you down? 'Cause if they
Yes.
didn't, you should have told me that.
No, you cannot blame that on me.
Yeah, I just pointed.
That is
them.
literally your
That's
fault.
so annoying.
You just went away from
You should have told me that
You
they
went away!
Actually, it kind of did.
No, because you went away from me.
Oh my gosh, he breaks me down.
No, get that launch back. Come on. Oh! You aimbot.
Where? No, Carson. Actually, yeah.
Mining away. I don't know